When it comes to restomods, few builds embody the perfect balance of modern performance and classic muscle car spirit like Ringbrothers' reimagined 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Known for their awe-inspiring custom builds, Ringbrothers has taken the iconic 1970 Cuda and transformed it into a powerhouse of performance and style. With a staggering 807 horsepower, a striking pink exterior, and an array of cutting-edge upgrades, this restomod is not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. The 1970 Plymouth Cuda is one of the most iconic muscle cars of its era, famous for its aggressive design and potent V8 engine options. However, Ringbrothers has breathed new life into this vintage classic, combining the best aspects of the original with today's performance technology. The result? A car that retains the Cuda's raw, muscular appeal while offering the precision, power, and performance of a modern supercar. At the core of this restomod is a modern V8 engine capable of delivering 807 horsepower, a far cry from the original power plants. This high-performance motor ensures that the Cuda is not only fast but a beast on the road. With immense torque and smooth power delivery, the Cuda's engine is paired with a modern transmission system that provides precision gear shifts, making it responsive and easy to handle, whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the drag strip. Ringbrothers didn't stop at the engine swap. The team outfitted this Cuda with high-end performance upgrades to handle the massive power. The car features an upgraded suspension system, custom brakes, and a reinforced chassis, all of which work in unison to provide superior handling and stability. Whether cornering at high speeds or tackling twisty backroads, the Cuda delivers a driving experience that feels modern and controlled, elevating it from a classic muscle car to a serious performance machine. This restomod is as at home on the track as it is on the street, and its handling dynamics are as impressive as its straight-line speed. Visually, the 1970 Plymouth Cuda by Ringbrothers is an absolute showstopper. Drenched in a vibrant pink paint job, this restomod is impossible to ignore. The daring color choice gives the car a fresh, contemporary look while paying homage to the bold, brash spirit of classic muscle cars. It's an attention-grabbing finish that complements the Cuda's aggressive, muscular lines. The restomod's custom bodywork further enhances its presence on the road. With a lowered stance, a wider track, and enhanced aerodynamics, the Cuda now looks even more menacing. The car sits on wide, custom wheels that fill out the wheel arches, providing a stance that's as performance-driven as it is visually striking. This is a Cuda that demands attention, and it gets it from every angle. Inside, the Ringbrothers' 1970 Cuda strikes a perfect balance between classic muscle and modern comfort. The cabin retains the muscle car ethos, simple, focused, and ready for performance, but now includes luxurious touches and modern technology. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, offering comfort while still looking the part. The dashboard features digital gauges, replacing the original analog dials, but still maintaining the vintage feel of the Cuda. Technology upgrades include a state-of-the-art sound system and a modern infotainment system that ensures you're connected on the go. With all the tech and comforts of a modern car, the interior of the Cuda doesn't just enhance your driving experience, it elevates it. No restomod would be complete without that signature muscle car growl, and this 1970 Plymouth Cuda delivers it in spades. The exhaust note from the powerful V8 engine is unmistakable, a deep, throaty rumble that commands attention. Whether idling at a stoplight or blasting down a straightaway, the sound is a reminder that this is a car built for raw, unadulterated performance. The Ringbrothers' 1970 Cuda isn't just a showpiece, it's a car built to be driven and enjoyed at full throttle. From its ground-shaking engine to its corner-carving suspension, this restomod is every bit as capable as it is visually impressive. In conclusion, the 1970 Plymouth Cuda Restomod by Ringbrothers is a true masterpiece, blending the best of both worlds, timeless muscle car design and modern-day performance enhancements. With its 807 horsepower engine, jaw-dropping pink exterior, and performance upgrades that make it as agile as it is fast, this Cuda is more than just a nod to the past. It's a vision of the future of muscle cars, one where raw power and cutting-edge technology coexist seamlessly. For fans of restomods, muscle cars, and high-performance builds, the Ringbrothers' 1970 Cuda is a car that will leave a lasting impression. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's absolutely unforgettable, a true testament to what happens when classic cars meet modern innovation.